Mother of science, home of the heart, we owe you love and reverence. Center of true education, where knowledge.
Thank you very much, Mark. Please let me come with your pieces.
The game is one. Once I blow the whistle, where the balloons? There were balloons in the cup, and the balloons are meant to be 10 cents each. 10 cents each. As soon as we blow the whistle, we have already distributed Ojoro. Which house we do? Lady Ibia.
You have lost
Ojoro! Ojoro!
They are cheating.
No, it's cheating was only for the handling of balloon. Mommy Commissioner, ma. Oh, we wanted her to be a judge. Okay, high table. Are you all from the same house? Let me see your cup. And your time starts now. Oh yeah. Yellow house, red house, pink house already doing a lot of energy. Blue house, red house. Who will be the winner? 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 Yellow
So during visiting days, if you can remember, some of us used to carry their food on Monday and keep it at the mosque. Then maybe during break time, you go and carry the food. Yeah. My grandpa used to call me when everybody is in class and we should go to the mosque and say, we want the people in Padlock together with the little leader. And the one hostel was punished.
Their punishment for 27 years from now is that. Thank you very much. Memories. Of course, yes. Beautiful memories. Alright. Queen Anne in our house, the one who spent the longest time in primary school, secondary school. These are cherished moments. These are cherished times. And all of this put together is meant to help us do a quick journey back in time. Wow. Beautiful memories. Wow. Any more? Okay. Oh no! Melody of Zuzula. Wow. Children, listen up. Assembly is compulsory for as a 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. Oh yes.
Excuse me. Your sister. What took your eyes there?
Oh my God. Oh yeah, let's go, get don't give results. Please a round of applause for our beautiful, intelligent mommy in the house. Being sisters again. Great. 7 years after, and here we're growing. With your glasses filled with sweetness. Hip, hip, hip! Hip, hip, hip! And hip, hip, hip again! Hooray! Take this moment and flip your mouth.
Hey, yes. I see how.
Around them. Henceforth, without women, there is no God in Nigeria, in our various states. So please, whatever you feel, you can do it. Because I have passion to politics, that's why I'm doing it. When I graduated as a graduate, you know what happened, man, when I got married? I told you I went there for mobilization. The next thing, CHA or school, medical school. Either I don't even used to know, I don't even know how to start. They're like, me, do you know what?
You're